Hey there, friend. Let us get right to it, because I know this is the big question on your mind. Can you, a creative person with a great idea, still make real honest-to-goodness money on Etsy today, in 2026? My answer is a clear and confident yes. Absolutely, 100%. Many sellers are earning a steady income right now. Brand new beginners, seasoned artisans. Some are making a little extra cash on the side. Extra cash for a vacation. Extra cash for a new sofa. Others have built full-time careers that support their families. The market is more crowded than 10 years ago, so you need a smarter plan. Move with intention, one small, manageable step at a time. Think of it like climbing a ladder to your profitable Etsy shop. Do not try to jump to the top rung. Take the first step, then the next, then the next. This guide is your ladder. We will break the process into easy actions with no jargon and no overwhelm. Use simple tools you already have. Follow a clear plan that has worked for thousands of sellers. From dreaming about a shop to running, one starts with this first step. Etsy in 2026 rewards specialization and quality. Gone are the days of blurry photos and hoping for sales. Today's buyers are savvy. They want beautiful photos, clear descriptions, and trust. Connect as a real person to build loyalty and repeat orders. We will start with research, choose a focused product, set up your shop, craft winning listings, and make your first sales. Ready? Let us begin. Okay, first things first. Before you make a single item or pick a name, do market research. Skipping this is like baking a cake without a recipe. You might get lucky, but you will probably make a mess. Start by visiting Etsy and searching with intention. Look for items you like or can make. Focus on the first few pages of results. Bestsellers are your best teachers. Take specific notes. What exact words are in the titles? Which tags do they use? And how often do they repeat themes? What is the going price range for popular items? Notice photo style, bright and clean or moody and artistic. Spend at least 2 to 3 hours gathering patterns. Capture your findings in a simple document or notebook. Identify what consistently sells and why listings succeed. Narrow to 1 or 2 categories, like handmade jewelry, digital planners, or personalized decor. Pick one product you can make well and enjoy making. Start with just one product type to keep it simple. Do not say jewelry. Say minimalist gold-filled stacking rings. If physical goods feel daunting, consider digital products like printable wall art, social media templates, or budget planners. If handmade, test with a tiny batch. Create 5 to 10 items and shoot simple phone photos in window light. Ask for honest feedback. Is the price fair? Is the product appealing? Is anything confusing? Consider a small test shop to see clicks and adds to cart. Use what you learn to refine before you invest more time and money. Now the fun part. Open your digital storefront on Etsy. Choose a name that is clear, memorable, and hints at what you sell. Good example, Willow Creek Candles. Bad example, Amy's Awesome Aromas 2026. Create a simple banner and logo for free in Canva. Aim for clean, professional visuals that build instant trust. Write a friendly about story. Share who you are, why you started, and what makes your products special. Keep it warm and approachable. Buyers love real people. Fill policies, processing and shipping times, returns, exchanges, cancellations, and what to do if a package is damaged or lost. Be consistent with fonts, colors, photos, and packaging to look polished and trustworthy. Each product needs its own listing. Start with a clear descriptive title. Try this. Handmade linen pillow cover, neutral farmhouse decor, 18 by 18-inch throw pillow. Photos are your #1 sales tool. Bright natural light, simple backgrounds, multiple angles, and detailed close-ups. Always include a scale photo so buyers understand size. Write benefits, paint a lifestyle picture, then list dimensions, materials, and care in an easy list. Spell out numbers for a handmade feel, like 3 inches. Use all 13 tags with a mix of broad and long tail phrases. Think like a buyer searching for your item. A great title, beautiful photos, detailed description, and strategic tags attract your ideal customers. Price for profit. Include materials, packaging, your time, and Etsy fees. Publish and share with friends, family, and on social to spark activity. Ship quickly within your stated processing time and add tracking when possible. Pack securely and make unboxing delightful with tissue and a handwritten thank you. Include a small coupon for a future order to encourage repeat buyers. Provide amazing customer service. Reply within 24 hours with a helpful tone. Great experiences lead to 5-star reviews, which fuel trust and sales. Check stats to see your bestseller. Add 1 or 2 related products, new colors, or new sizes. Do not dilute your brand. Post clear product photos and simple behind-the-scenes stories. Use email to announce new products, special discounts, or upcoming sales. Test one channel at a time and learn from results. Repeat buyers cost less. Keep delighting them with quality and care. Once a month, review performance, photos, prices, and reviews. Improve photos, adjust prices, and tweak keywords to raise conversions. Beginner-friendly choice 1, digital products. Printable wall art, planners, and templates. Create once, sell forever. Beginner-friendly choice 2, simple handmade goods. Candles, pillow covers, or soap. Easy to batch, pack, and ship. Next level, jewelry and accessories. Win with a niche, like lightweight clay earrings or dainty initial necklaces. Advanced, personalization. Add names or dates to mugs, teas, or wall art. Alternative, sell supplies. Curated bead kits, unique sticker sheets, or fabric bundles. Ultimate step, pick a very specific niche for a dedicated audience.